This is a quick video, how to restore a hidden window, anywhere in CY Enterprise. Now let's do an example. Our items list window is not appearing, even when double-clicking. Now, make sure CY is Maximise, and all windows inside CY are Maximise. To Maximise, click on the square middle icon. You may find it at the top right corner of each window. Then navigate your mouse to the very bottom left corner of the screen. You will view all windows that are opened. In our example, we can view items list and partners. Locate the window that is not showing. Now, right-click. Click Restore Window Position. The window will now appear. That's it. Thank you for your time. Goodbye.